Another misconception that people are having about hypnosis is that they may cause you to reveal your hidden secret. Like, for example, that what if they ask me my bank account details? What if they ask me my password? And I have no control, I will reveal my password, I will reveal my bank account details. That is not possible in hypnosis. Unless you want to talk about it. Okay? You will only share the things that you are ready to share. Now, there is another misconception about people have that fear of not emerging of stuck in hypnosis. Some people fear that what if I will not come back? What if I will stuck there? No, it's not possible. You cannot stuck in the hypnotic state. Everyone has to emerge naturally because hypnosis is a natural state, just like daydreaming. And there is another concept: you must believe in hypnosis for it to work. Some people think that hypnosis only work if you believe in it. Okay, and that's also not true. Don't believe, but I will give you a chance. Then hypnosis can work. But if somebody says I don't want to be hypnotized, it will not work. Some people think that these brain waves has to do with hypnosis. Okay, now brain waves change depending on the mental state. Depending on your mental state, brain waves do change, but brain waves alone do not define hypnosis. I put you in hypnosis, we get to the root cause. There is one traumatic event come up. Okay, and you are in deep hypnosis, and some childhood trauma will appear. And in that childhood trauma, you start reacting, emotionally reacting. You are shouting, you are screaming. That is also possible, but that does not mean that you are not in hypnosis. Because when you are in reactive state, in every action, your brain wave is no more in alpha state.